Okay, so as promised, I wanted to come out here and do a 360 walk around of a 2021 Electra Meccanica Solo. Just got this a few days ago and starting to learn a little bit about it. You see there, it just flashed its lights because I had it open, and it automatically does lock its doors when you walk away. So just a quick little walk around over here. Here's the key fob. It's got the logo on the back and some basic controls. Of course, it's a three-wheel vehicle. That's a 16-inch in the back, and there's some smaller 15-inch up front. And I'll come over here and I'll open the door so you can get an idea what it looks like inside. Pretty much has everything. You've got power windows, power locks. You got a small cup holder here. Got your Starbucks. Got a power brake. That dial there operates the transmission, so reverse, neutral, and drive. Got a JVC radio deck there. It's Bluetooth, which will give you your play all your favorite tunes on there. And I am going to mount a small thing over here so I can plug into that power adapter and also run navigation, etc. On the other side, you'll see you have your heating and air conditioning controls, vent, and this does have a door on each side, which makes it very easy to get in and out of depending on where you have better access. Pretty comfortable seat. You have a rollover bar here. We call it the Halo. Overall, the car, when you're driving, it feels quite solid. You can hear it when I close the door. I'll pop the trunk here so you can see how much storage you have. And yeah, during the holidays I had 4 grocery bags back here, so plenty for a quick run to the grocery store to pick up whatever you need. In the front, you do have you have no storage, but there's some place to put your charger. Basically, you open it this way and walk around over here and show you what's there. Okay. Here's the third headlight. You can see what's under here. You can easily put your chargers. That's the coolant for the battery and brake fluid, and then water for the windscreen wiper system. And then you have a fix-it for if you get a flat, since they don't have a spare. But you can see there's no space there to really store anything, but basically keep your essentials dry. See, it's pretty small. This is a standard 2-car garage on this side of the house, and it is easily fits in here with, you know, bikes and a bunch of junk that gets piled up in the garage as usual. But yeah, you can see it fits in there nicely. So a few stats on it. It's 53 horsepower, just over 100 foot-pounds of torque. It'll do 0 to 60 in over 10 seconds. It feels a little faster. You got a 100-mile range. From a 0, if you drain the battery all the way down on a 110, it would take about 12 hours to fill it up. But you know, I do have a level 2 charger here at the house, so plugs in right here, which is kind of neat. It's got this little latch here to pop it off, and take the charger, just put it in here like any other electric car, push the button, slide it in. Now 220, you'll see you can charge it up to about 85% in 2.5 hours, and up to 100% in about 6 hours. You can see that it's showing it on the dash that it's working away to charge it up. We're about 98% charged now since I did charge it overnight yesterday. Haven't been able to drive too much just because here in the Silicon Valley we've had storms over the last few days. But I'll get out there and do a test drive for everybody here real soon. Hope you enjoyed the walk around. See you later.